So now we are going to see about polygon clipping algorithm. Polygon clipping algorithm, and one of the most common method in polygon clipping algorithm is Sutherland Hodgman polygon clipping algorithm. So for this we have to follow 4 steps. So what are the 4 steps? Are left clip, right clip, top clip, and then bottom clip. So if suppose consider the original image is this. So this is nothing but window. So in this the polygon will be like this. So this is nothing but polygon. So first of all, left clip. So on performing left clip, we will have the output as this. So the area before the left margin is clipped. So this edge is not shown in this figure, and then we have to follow the second step, right clip, with the output came. So in this step we will have the output as like this. And then the third step, the output will be from this output. The third step is going to be executed, and in this step the output will be top clip, right? This, and then this is the first step, second step, third step, and then third step to fourth step we will have the output as like this. So the final clipped polygon algorithm will have this as output, on considering this as a original polygon. So for this there are 4 cases to be followed. So how the line is clipped. So on each step, so this line is clipped on the first step, and consecuting to the second one, the right side is clipped, and then third one the top, and the fourth one bottom. So these are the lines, right? So how the lines is clipped. So for this there are 4 cases. So you have to understand these 4 cases in order to perform Sutherland Hodgman polygon clipping algorithm. So for first case, consider this as a window. So this is nothing but the margin. So let us consider this as out portion and this as in portion. So if suppose a line starts from outside to inside, so we can name it as V1 to V2. So on clipping, the output will be out to in, right? The line is from outside to inside, then the answer will be V1 dash V2, as because of the outside line is first of all trespassing the margin. So V1 dash to the output V2. So for clipping, we have to consider the end position V1 to V2. In this case, from outside to inside, it crosses the margin, and so a third point V1 dash is formed. So the output will be V1 dash product of V2. Second case. Again, margin, outside portion, inside portion. In this case, if suppose the line originate from inside to outside, so this is the originating point and this is the end point. So in this case, the output will be from in position to out position, and so the point is V1 dash, the point which is from origin to V2, in between the intersecting point is V1 dash. So in the previous case, I said that we have to consider the end point. So in this case, after this margin, this line will be clipped, and so the end point will be V1 dash only. Third case, again window, margin, out position, in position. So in this case, both the points are inside the window, V1, V2. So the output will be from in to in. In this case, the output will be V2 only. As I said earlier, the end point should be considered V1 to V2. In this case, both the points are inside the window, and so this is considered as originating point. The end point is V2, and so the output is V2. And the last case, window, out position, in position. In this case, both the points are outside the margin, so output will be out position to out position, and so nil. So these are the 4 cases we have to consider on clipping the lines in polygon clipping algorithm. So let us discuss with an example. So consider this as a window, and the given polygon is this. So this is nothing but window polygon. So this point will be V1, this point will be V2, and this point will be V3, which is nothing but V1, V2, edge 1, V2, V3, edge 2, V3, V1, edge 3. So we have to follow 4 steps, which is nothing but left clip, right clip, top clip, and bottom clip, like I said earlier. So first we have to follow left clip. So on left clipping, this is window. On left clipping, this is out position, in position, window, V1, V2, V3. So left clip. So we will get V1, V2, edge 1. So this is left clip, this is the outside portion. So in this case, both the points are inside the margin, that is into in this case. So output will be V2. And then second case, V2, V3. In this case, from in position to out position. So in this case, we will get V2 dash as intersecting point, and so the output will be V2 dash. So hence we have to consider the end position. So from in position to the end point is V2 dash only, and so the output is V2 dash. And the third edge is V3, V1. In this case, this point is outside the margin, and so from V3 to this intersecting point we will get V3 dash. So V3 dash V1 as the output. Clear? So and then this output on left clipping, we will get window. This will be the margin. So this line is safe, and then this line, and then this line. So we have to name it V1, V2, V2 dash, V3 dash. So this will be the output of left clipping. So second step is right clipping. So in this case we will have 4 edges. So in this case we will have only 3, V1, V2, V2, V3, V3, V1. But in this case we will have V1, V2, V2, V2 dash, V2 dash, V3 dash, V3 dash, and then V1. So consider the cases, the line which is outside to inside or inside to outside. So consider as V1, V2. So right clipping. So these edges are safe, hence the output will be V2. So this is the originating point, this is the end point. We have to consider the end point V1 to V2. The output will be V2. And in this case V2, V2 dash. So this is also right clipping. So this edge is also safe. So we will have the output as V2 dash. So in this edge, this will be the originating point, this will be the edge point. So we will have the output as V2 dash. So in this case, this will be the edge, originating point, end point, V2 dash to V3 dash, and so the output will be V3 dash. So this edge is also safe because we are clipping right clip, the second step. So all the edges are inside the window, inside the margin. So and so V3 dash to V1, the output will be V1. So there will be no change on clipping right side, and so the output image will be this. Like before, we have to name every points V1, V2, V2 dash, V3 dash. Now top clip. So this. So in this case also, all the edges V1, V2, V2, V2 dash, V2 dash, V3 dash, V3 dash, V1 are in safe between the margins, left margin, right margin, top margin. These edges are in safe, and so V1, V2, V2, V2 dash, V2 dash, V3 dash, and then V3 dash, V1. So there will be no changes in the output, and so like the previous step. So now last step, bottom clip. So in this case, this will be the window, this will be the margin. So output will be V1, V2, V2 dash, V3 dash. So again V1, V2, V2, V2 dash, V2 dash, V3 dash, V3 dash, V1. So in this case we have to consider the edges. See, bottom clipping from out position to in position. So what will be the answer? Out position to in position. So we will get V1 dash, the intersecting point. So V1 dash, V2. Okay. So consider the second edge V2 to V2 dash, safe position. So the answer will be V2 dash. And then V2 to V3 dash, here this is the margin, originating point, this is the end point. So originating point to end point we have to consider the output. So in this case there is an intersection. So this point will name it as V2 double dash. So originating point is V2 dash, and so the intersecting point is named as V2 double dash. So you have to name it as V2 double dash, and then the last edge V3 dash to E1 dash, the output will be nil, as because of this is the margin, both the originating point and the end point is outside the window, and so this image will have the output as after polygon clipping algorithm, which is nothing but Sutherland-Hodgman algorithm. So we will get the image as this. So this will be the output. We will name V1 dash, V2, V2 dash, V2 double dash. So edges will be 4, V1 dash, V2, V2, V2 dash, V2 dash, V2 double dash, V2 double dash, V1 dash. Right? Thank you.